Yeah, YouTube, welcome to the unboxing of the MN168, one of the newest releases. I'm not sure really what to expect from this one other than really large wheels. It seems to have a separate receiver, ESC, all adjustable shocks, quarter axles, beadlock wheels, big beadlock wheels. That's a Pro Edition which is yet to be released. Licensed product. Let's see what's in the box. Just taking a bit of a battering on the way, but bag of the usual bag of accessories and so on. So we'll return to the good old plastic packaging. I think doing the unboxing outside might not be the best idea in the wind, but we shall see how we get on with this. First impressions, other than the crazy big wheels, tyres are soft, doors are open, nice little bit of detail in there, the boot doesn't open. Steering wheel's upside down. More traditional chassis. Axle mounted servo, that's good to see. I still can't get over 1.9 inch wheels on this. But the rest of it actually looks quite promising. The chassis is similar to the MN78. I wouldn't have said that these were all filled shocks, probably that's an upgrade, I'm guessing. Yeah, so you can upgrade. Oh no, it says that there should be all filled. I'll have to check them, see if they're all in them. Probably need to top them up. Yeah, hopefully that's in shot, can't really see. Well, really decent sized battery tray. We're probably not framing this shot too well outdoors, but not used to filming outdoors, so. Got some batteries in the controller. Yeah, table with open gaps might have been a bad idea, but we'll see. Yeah, so just 2 double A's in the controller. Sort of new standard format, little thumb steer, foam wheel, steering trim, throttle rate, and light switch. These 2 are dummy switches. Can't really tell if that's on yet. Yeah, that's flashing away. So yeah, I don't know if the video sort of cut off. So anyway, we have lights. Oh, that's the 2-speed. So we can actually pop a wheelie. Yeah, the suspension's a bit sticky, so I think it needs the oil shocks topping up, or just running, and that should free up. But it does have some oil in there because it's not too sort of bouncy. We have hazard lights, headlights off, hazard lights off, indicators. I don't know if I'm getting my hands in the way. Yeah, we have brake lights and tail lights, rear indicators. Yeah, that's sort of. Bonnet opens, boot doesn't. We can see in it. I do actually like the detail on this. I think if we can get past the wheels, it's actually quite a nice model. I'm not going to put the plastic accessories on out here. I'll wait until I'm inside and then do that a bit later. In the box, you basically just get the bag of accessories, which you get your parts tree, your mirrors, light lenses, Range Rover stickers, some Camel Trophy stickers, which probably more for the yellow one. Number plate maybe? I'm not entirely sure. That must go on there, I reckon. Don't know why you get 2. And then your little, I believe, 2 amp USB charger, warranty card. Yeah, that's what's in there. If it had the roof rack, which this one doesn't, because that's for the Pro one, that's how you put your accessories on. And then, yeah, just how to install batteries and stuff, I think. basic functions of the controller. Unless it was lost in custom, there is no manual with it. Together. Yeah, I haven't charged the battery yet. There's no adjustment for the steering dual rate, but that can be greatly improved by moving that down a hole or two, and then that will give you massively better steering angles, because I'm not too great at on that setting, but yeah, that's freeing up a bit now. Yeah, I actually like it. The wheels put me off it a bit, to be honest, but I'll probably say that a lot. I'm thinking I don't have a wheel hex here, which is a shame, because the factory wheels are 1.9s and these are 1.5s. I think that would be a better fit for it, if we can get it to stay. Yeah, I think they would quite possibly look a lot better on it. Just some wheels that I happen to have laying around for probably another project, but I might even paint the roof white. Let's have a little crawl around in the sand in this bit, and then go and have a look at the sand hill of despair and see if it can conquer that before the battery goes flat. Bag. Just changing it down to the lower speed now. Again, I haven't charged this battery, so I don't know if it's about to cut out or not. Yeah, we're actually getting some kind of wheel spin. So then, conclusion. 1.55 wheels still look a little large, but they definitely look a lot more scale than the 1.9 wheels that come with it, and especially being the Weller design as well. The suspension has freed up a little bit after some use. The 1.55 wheels, full compression, just miss, and even with full steering, yeah, so that's the front suspension bottomed out. With full steering it just rubs, but not really enough to cause any issue, and that's only under full compression anyway, and that's full compression, so but sort of generally that's going to clear. I mean, maybe just grind a slight bit out the arch, but I think generally that's going to rub so minimally that that's not going to be an issue. But yeah, and these were a direct bolt on. I believe I got these off AliExpress. Just a 1.55 stamped wheel with tyres, the BF Goodrich design, which I think actually kind of works with it. I've got the details on there now, which definitely help it look a lot nicer. I need to colour in the orange indicators, but yeah. Yeah, you have to excuse the strong sun, but yeah, I think it's actually quite capable off-road. It seems to have plenty of power. It didn't struggle anywhere for any power where I've taken it. It managed to conquer the sandhill of despair without too much hassle. And battery life I couldn't tell you because I haven't charged it and I've still not run it out yet. I've been driving it a good probably half hour, 40 minutes, and we still have plenty of life in the battery. So yeah, overall I'm quite impressed with it. Just the only thing that they could change is just more scale wheels for it, but overall, yeah, I think I like it. I'm actually quite impressed. Another sort of good effort from MN. Anyway, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and comment if you've got any questions about it, and yeah, look forward to hearing you. Have a good day and catch you soon. Bye for now.